Use the Convert to PDF tool to convert your Word documents, Excel sheets, or PPT files into PDFs quickly and easily. Choose the Convert to PDF option. Pick the Word document you want to convert. Type in the name you want for the file. You can also add page numbers to a PDF file while converting and tap Save. Your Word document will be turned into a PDF file. Open the PDF Tools screen and tap on Convert to PDF. Choose the Excel file you want to convert. Enter a name for your file and tap Save. Your Excel spreadsheet is now a nicely formatted PDF. Go to the PDF Tools screen and choose Convert to PDF. Pick the PowerPoint file you want to convert. Type in the name you want for the new file and hit Save. Your PowerPoint is now a PDF, with all your slides just the way you made them. Choose the Convert Online option for the best and most accurate results. Select Convert Online for the best quality PDF, especially for complicated files, so your documents always look their best. This option uses credits for each conversion.